Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, the first day of September, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. So today is an A day, so you'll see periods 1, 3, 5, and 7 today. Today is an A day on this first day of September. And you may notice that I've got my hair up, t-shirt on, kind of got my sloppy clothes going here. All of us on the admin team are spending some time today getting ready for our students to return. What are we doing? We are moving furniture around right now, trying to figure out how to socially distance several hundred students at lunchtime. So we're working on that, making sure that we have provided adequate spacing, looking at some options for maybe some outdoor dining for you, and trying to put together some processes and procedures to make sure that everything is super safe for our students' return. And so we're excited about getting that started and starting to see what that looks like and having that come together. On Thursday, I believe it is, of this week, we will prepare some videos to help educate students and students and parents about what procedures we have in place, what are some of the protocols that we have in place to keep everybody safe so that everybody's clear on the expectations. And so we'll have that coming out this week. So we're working on a lot of things to get ready for our students to return to in-person learning on September 14th, and we're really excited about that. Those are all of the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I hope you make it a great Tuesday.